Today I'm on the windshield frame. I took the piece out that pushes the window out, and then here's up where the hinges bolt so that that window can tilt in and out. So I want to get the glass out so I can really repair any damage here and prep it properly. And this glass I'm not using anyway. I will get new glass. So here's what you have to do. These are, you can kind of see that those are regular screws in there. And guess what? They don't come out. So I had to drill them out, and I'll show you this side as I'm starting to take this one apart. Started drilling them out. This one broke a drill bit, so that's going to be sometimes what happens. But you can see there's this piece in here. This piece right here is threaded, so the screws fit through here and thread into there and hold this all together. And then I took my mallet and just started whacking on it, and it started coming out. And see, it looks like this glass has been changed because this looks like silicone to me. So, but anyway, I'm going to continue on to the other side and get this thing all apart. And there we have it. It's starting to come apart. Glass is coming out. Just got to kind of tap this nice. Use a mallet, not a hammer. And then that's it. That's out. There it is. Now I got to fix this because there's some rot right up in here. And I got to clean out that channel really nice. I see some material in here. This is like a gasket material there, but this is like silicone here. So anyway, that's that part. But there's some more bad parts up and through here and stuff too I gotta get to. So now I just gotta knock the glass out of this one here, which I'm gonna just hold on kind of here. I'm gonna tap this way. That should knock that out. And then I can rebuild these things so they slide in and out a lot better and easier, and cinch down that glass nice. So that's it. That's the way it should be. There it is, all taken apart. One thing I didn't mention is, like I said, this was silicone in here. That's what it feels like to me. I took a razor knife and just kind of went along the glass and the silicone and just kind of cut it. And then you just tap it and it comes right out. Otherwise, I think you'll be wailing on it a little bit. I started doing that at first, and this one was a little tight, so I chased it with the knife and popped right off. So there you go. That's the windshield frame. Next is I'm gonna have to try to get these out because these are gonna be a different color than the body. So, but that's getting a windshield out of a windshield frame, a 37 Dodge pickup.